Good morning. It is a little after 6. We are here with Alicia at her house. It's PIXAR day. PIXAR day! I got a text at 5:30 this morning, literally seconds after my alarm came off. And it's PIXAR day. The play parade, we're gonna do paint the night. We're going to do, hopefully there's a special meet and greet, cross your fingers. Fireworks, lots of food. My shirt is from Red Feather Apparel Company. I got some overalls and I'm committing to this look with the socks. And Alicia let me borrow this for the day. And Alicia is obviously committed to Toy Story. Yeah, those are awesome. All this cute stuff. Look at these ears. I like these sparkle ones for sure. She got this back. Whoa, you just keep having more and more bags of Toy Story. Toy Story is your favorite movie, right? It is. Okay, we just went through security. We're waiting on the tram now. Look at all of our bags that we just went through security with. We look like crazy people.
Disneyland Park remains open until 12 midnight today.
It's so exciting. No one else is excited though. So you have to whisper. No one else is awake. Alright guys, we got our lockers. Now we look a little more normal. Alicia! Spin!
No, see my butt.
A festival of friendship. Hey, look, I'm here with my friend. Oh, the popcorn buckets. And here's them. And there's my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
Got him. He's so happy. Oh my gosh. Alicia's freaking out. She cried on the way up here. She cried. More stuff. Okay, we're walking up to this right now. PIXAR Pals. And there's a location 1, location 2 up here. So we're gonna go check this out. Hi, Sully. All right, over to PIXAR Fest at Disneyland.
Thanks, Morgan.
Thank you.
Disneyland Limited, now holding for
I literally just said they should do a meet and greet with the PIXAR ball and the lamp. I love her hair too.
How cute. I'm gonna try.
Wait, his shirt, look it. Oh, can you buy this? Where do you buy this? Going on today. Ah, so cute. Oh, yes. With bacon, without bacon, macaroon, and a little strut.
Wasn't supposed to be till tonight, but it went off anyway.
Whoa. Alright, I got this bow now. It's an up bow. They said they were gonna go really fast, so kind of convinced me to get it. We picked up some more friends, and we're gonna go ahead to AP Corner and go see what they have to offer there.
We like to get out of the toy box. We like to get crazy. We like to get wild. But when Andy comes home, what do we gotta do?